R&D department here in Washington. And I'd like to welcome all of you here in Washington. And as you know, Kuraray is one of the biggest PDA manufacturers in Japan, in the world. And we have a plant in Okayama. Maybe you went there yesterday. And we have a plant in Singapore, Germany, and we are setting up a brand new one in the States, Houston. So we are growing. And the reason why we are growing is, of course, we need to provide you a good quality, good materials, good quality. And maybe you find that yesterday in Okayama plant, the plant is well organized, so quality is very constant. And today you saw our laboratory, and you found that we have a very good facility and good people like him, right? So this is how we can provide good materials, good quality, and good service, technical service. So what I'd like to emphasize here today is your satisfaction is our satisfaction. So we will keep doing our utmost effort to make you much happier, so that we can be much happier. So please hold your glass. I'd like to make a toast for our mutual mutual success. Cheers.